In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation in Miro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a board you're already working on and present it cleanly in full screen so your audience focuses on what matters. Start by logging into your Miro account and opening the board you want to present. This can be any existing board, brainstorms, flows, wireframes, or a workshop canvas. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct board and that everything you plan to show is visible on the canvas. Your audience will see whatever is on this board, so it helps to have your content arranged and your view centered on the area you want to start with. If your board already uses frames, keep in mind that those frames will function like slides during the presentation. Once your board is open and you're ready to share it, look to the top right corner of the Miro interface and click the Present button. Depending on your screen size, the button may show as present or as an icon that looks like a play or screen symbol. If you don't immediately see it, maximize your browser window or exit any tool you currently have selected so that the top bar is visible. One click is all it takes to switch from editing to presenting. Your board will now fill the screen in presentation mode. This view is designed to minimize distractions and keep attention on your content. If your board has frames, you can move through them in order using the on-screen arrows or your keyboard's arrow keys. Think of frames as slides that guide your narrative. If you don't have frames on the board, don't worry, you can still pan and zoom to different areas. Use your mouse or trackpad to navigate smoothly and pause briefly on key sections to give your audience time to follow along. Many presenters like to zoom in on details and then zoom back out to show the bigger picture. This works especially well for complex diagrams or maps. While presenting, your cursor acts as a pointer. If you prefer a clearer highlight, you can use Miro's laser pointer tool if it's available in your plan, which briefly marks where you're focusing without leaving permanent annotations. Keep your movements deliberate and steady to avoid disorienting viewers. When you're finished, click Stop to exit presentation mode. You'll return to your editable board exactly where you left off. Before your next session, it's helpful to do a quick run-through to confirm your starting view, check that your internet connection is stable, and make sure notifications won't pop up on screen while you present. That's it. Log in, click Present, share in full screen, and click Stop when you're done. You're ready to present confidently in Miro.